Hello, today I'm in Audi A6. In this video I'll show you how to select function for steering wheel special button. So firstly, if you don't have any function for it set, you can simply press it and now select the function from the list. But if you want to change the function mode, go to menu and enter car. Settings and service, steering wheel button, and here is the list of possible functions. Simply select it, go back, and now if you press it, you can enable or disable, for example in my case, voice guidance, because I've selected it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.